Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the ELGATO CAM LINK 4K device and I'm going to tell you how you can easily add plugins to your application. So as you can see, now we are in our ELGATO Camera Hub application, and to add some plugins we have to click on this phone icon, colorful icon in the top right corner. After that, you can see a web browser, and here we have some plugins. We can scroll down and search for some plugins, designs. As you can see, there are a lot of them. I'd say that I want to download, for example, here, this download tech background. Here we can buy it. As you can see, I didn't know that is not free. So let's download some free, for example this vintage. Here we can click get. As you can see, I'm not logged in, so we'll wait a moment. Now I am logged into my account. You have to, if you want to know how to log in and create an account, just check our channel because we have a video for it. And as you can see, this is our plugin. After logging in, we have to click get once again, and now as you can see, open in Camera Hub. Now we have to open this plugin in the Camera Hub. This plugin is, by the way, by Luca Di Pazzi, as you can see. And as you can see, now we have this plugin downloaded. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.